I do not feel like having a cocktail today. It got a little bit rough last night. I went to a show to watch these guys. And I might have had 1 or 2 or 5 drinks too many. Hey, it happens, right? But I will be making a cocktail today. Probably just look at it, but that's okay too. So let's make the white Mezcal Negroni. I kind of feel like a tool making this cocktail video just 1 week after Anders Ericsson did the regular white Negroni over at his channel. But it is Negroni week after all, so why not? The white Negroni was created in 2001 in France, but by a British bartender, and he wanted to create a Negroni riff with gin, but using French ingredients instead of the traditional Italian Campari and sweet vermouth. He ended up using Suze, which is a bitter gentian root liqueur instead of Campari, and then using Lillet Blanc to replace the sweet vermouth. Lillet Blanc is a fortified aromatized wine. You could say it's in the vermouth family. What I'll be making today is the same thing, but with mezcal instead of gin. So here's what you'll need: a mezcal, and long story short, mezcal is also an agave spirit just like tequila, but produced in a way that gives it this smoky flavor. So you need to know mezcal is basically smoky tequila. And of course, the key ingredient, Suze. And I already talked about what Suze is, but let me read to you what it says on the back of the bottle. Since 1889, we've been making Suze with the strictest respect for tradition, including fresh wild gentian from the French mountains. The traditional distillation of gentian roots and the aromatic bouquet blend give it its characteristic bittersweet taste and unique personality. So I didn't have Lillet at home, so I'll be using Coke Americano instead, which is okay. It's not the same, but it'll be fine. And if you don't have any Lillet at home, you can use dry vermouth or maybe even a dry sherry or Coke Americano if you have it. And start with 3/4 ounce of your fortified wine. 3/4 ounce of your Suze. And 1.5 ounce of your mezcal. This cocktail is going to be served over ice, which means you don't have to stir it in the mixing glass for very long at all. And the reason for this is because since it's served over ice, it'll stay cold and it'll keep diluting as the ice melts. So first of all, it's not quite a white Negroni now, is it? It's more like a bright yellow Negroni, but that's okay. And on a side note, the original recipe calls for equal parts, just like a regular Negroni, but this is the way that I like mine, but you feel free to play around with it. I really like this cocktail, but then again, I like Negronis. It's bittersweet, vegetal, smoky, and to me, it's just a really cool little cocktail, and I hope you give it a try. Wait, don't go anywhere. Before I sign off, let me know in the comments what your favorite Negroni version is. All right, I'll see you next week. I guess I could have a little bit, right? Doesn't hurt. Feeling much better now.